Quote an email in Outlook, full message or selected text. Need to quote an original email when replying in Outlook. Sometimes you need the entire message for context, while other replies only need one important section. Here are 2 practical methods. Method 1. Use Outlook's prefix each line of the original message option. In Outlook, click File, and then select Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Mail from the left pane. Scroll down to the Replies and Forward section. Open the When replying to a message list and select prefix each line of the original message. Click OK to save the setting. Now open an email and click Reply. Outlook includes the full original message below your response, with a vertical line marking every quoted line. This setting is useful when every reply needs the complete message history. However, it quotes the entire original email, which can make long conversations harder to read. To quote only the part that matters, use Kutools for Outlook. Method 2. Use Kutools for Outlook's reply selection feature. First, download and install Kutools for Outlook, and then open Outlook. Double-click the email to open it in a separate window. Highlight only the sentence or paragraph you want to quote. Go to the Kutools tab. Click More Actions. And click Reply Selection. A reply window opens with only the selected text included as a quote. This keeps the reply focused and removes the need to delete unrelated parts of the original message manually. Use Outlook's built-in option when you want to quote the complete original email automatically. Use Kutools when you only need to quote a specific part of the message.